Remember, we're still talking about CAPSTONE 2.0, and before this, if you need help in CAPSTONE, CAPSIM, or any related simulation, text us on the email in the description or on the WhatsApp number and we shall sort you out. So today, in our video today, we're going to discuss something about marketing. And under marketing, we are simply going to talk about the products, the pricing of the products, the budgets, which is the sales budget and the promo budget, and maybe the customer buying criteria, which shows us what customers need or what customers expect in a particular round. So first things first, we shall talk about the products, and under products we have the pricing. So each product has a different price, and promo budget and sales budget, you can check on what our competitors are using so that you can put a fair one that will enhance maybe more customers into our company. So promo budget simply promotes customer awareness, and this can be done maybe by advertising our products well, maybe by paying influencers so that they can market our products, all that. Then you have the sales budget, which simply increases or promotes customer accessibility. This simply means that how accessible are our products to the customers. So for customers to access our products easily, we normally promote the sales budget. Lastly, we have your forecast. And now in this, we are going to make decisions on how many products we are going to sell in a particular round. So that's it. Next we have the summary, and under the summary you can see whenever you make the decisions here, you'll see changes in the gross revenue, maybe the variable cost, we have the contribution margin, the fixed costs, and the net margin. On the other side, we have the investments, and here we are also talking about the awareness and the accessibility. Is showing this in graphs, whereby we have the old and the new awareness. How aware are customers of our product? So this one should be around 90 to 100%. So this graph should move up to here. So it's advised you promote your products very, very well under promotion so that you can increase customer awareness. And under accessibility also, you need to promote your products very well so that they can be between 75% and 100% in the simulation. Lastly, we have the customer buying criteria, or also called the CBC. And here we're simply going to see what customers expect on a particular product. Maybe customers expect a particular price, they expect a particular age, that's it. So that's all about marketing, and if you need help in marketing or the whole simulation of CAPSTONE, Mastermind Academics is offering tutoring services. So please text us on the email on the description or on the WhatsApp number, and we shall sort you with no time. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.